Santo Domingo. I'm a Uber arriving. Let's go. Adventure. What's up, ladies and germs? Hey, man, the slow travel journey continues. Now, listen, I have been saying like forever that I got to do a video where it's like the beauties around town, right? And for whatever reason, man, I didn't get to that video, but I'll give y'all a little preview today. Rich's Method, back at it again. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Big up to anybody who has purchased the ebook at PayHip. So let's go. All right, so hey, it is called Beauties Around Town, so we can hit up a couple of locations. And this is just me doing a couple of things that I got to do. You know, it's the time of the year where people are festive and moving around, moving and shaking, meeting up with families and all that. So it is the best time of the year to give you guys these kind of previews, right? I'm going to introduce each area that I end up in while you guys enjoy their scenery. The first one right here is Caribbean Tours, right? So right now I'm just waiting for, my girl to come in. It's Santo Domingo. She lives in a different area. She's going to come in. We're going to chill. These are the sights and sounds while I was waiting for her to come in. Enjoy, fellas. I got 3 or 4 locations I'm going to hit you with. I'm going to step back. I'm going to introduce each location, and then I'm going to step back. Allow you guys to literally enjoy the sights and sounds. Hey, some of this, man, I may as well call it like MILFs that I like to, if you guys get what I'm saying, right? So hopefully, you guys know what that means, the term MILF. You can look it up online if you don't, young fellas. Anyway, enjoy, man.
No importa la hora que tengas tu ticket, de nada decir lápiz, acero, parqueo como 10. Último llamado.
All right, see this girl right here? She holding a bunch of little tickets in her hand, man. Sometimes these girls are either trying to hustle you to buy little things like donation packages or donate. Sometimes they're also saying, hey, man, I got a taxi driver. You need a taxi, you need a taxi. They're hustling to get the taxi people in there. Sometimes in these places, too, you'll see like a guy trying to sell you a SIM card. Literally, there's a dude that passed by here and dropped like 8 SIM cards just wrapped up in a little rubber band, right? So what they'll do, they'll be like, you need a SIM card, you need a SIM card. They already got some minutes loaded on there. You get it at a cheaper price than if you got to go and, get it with your ID and all that stuff. So some Dominicans just buy these burner SIM cards, right? They could load minutes on it if they want to. It's already activated. They could throw it out. Nobody can track them. Basically like a burner phone, but it's a little SIM card instead. So you got a lot of little hustlers, too, that'll come into this area. You got a lot of security that'll be around here. You got package pickup over here. You got money pickup with Caribbean Tours also, right? So like this line right here, you see with Shorty in the pink shorts. She's actually picking up a package, right? And then towards the right side, and the camera ain't gonna go over there every once in a while, you got the money pickup. So you Western Union poppies, if you're sending a girl in Santo Domingo in this particular area, and this is the Caribbean Tours Central Bus Station, major hub. Girl might come over there to pick up, or family members by sending money, they'll come over here to pick up some money, right? All right, and then in the back, you got where the buses go all over the island, right? You're going to Punta Cana, you're going to Sosua, Puerto Plata City, and everything in between.
Just the bus, Bobby. The bus do it too.
Did you go to the bathroom already? All right, we got Mega Central. Listen, let me tell you something. Mega Central area is, because they got like a little kids area, they got a movie theater in here, it's a mall, right? So this right here is MILF Central. Let me tell you something, man. There's a Bon Helado place over here, which is like Italian ice cream. let me tell you, that little area right there near the movie theater, you know, malls is the easy place for families to still hang out. Now, malls might not be as popular anymore for people that hang out in the United States and Canada and the Western places. But let me tell you something. In these other countries, man, the malls are still popping, right? So you can come, you can sit down. It's cheap for a family to just do nothing. They could browse and shop the stores. People could go to the movie theaters. So these malls are always popping, man, right? Let me tell you, anytime from Wednesday all the way through to Sunday. The busiest days, of course, going to be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the malls. You could go up to the food court. You could eat over there. And this particular day, I was just passing through. A lot of times I'll go to this particular Mega Central Mall because I got to pick up some cash, right? And it's just convenient. This is a hub. Opposite this hub of Mega Central is actually a train station also. And you could also catch a lot of buses to different areas from here. And I'm about to go to an area called Ensanche Uzama. This is on the eastern side of Santo Domingo. But let me tell you, the other reason why I come through here a lot, you won't see, is the views, right? Like, bro, sometimes you'll just see one of the craziest, or two or three of the craziest things in here. Also, some of the girls that work in here are pretty cool. And you got every type of thing in here, right? You could, you know, girls go in here to do their nails, their hair. You got girls like her selling cell phones. You know, you got Burger King. You got everything you need. But then, man, you'll just get blasted by the mills sometimes, man. It's like, whoo, talk about beauties around town. Look at that. All right, fellas, I wasn't going to take you to my watering hole, man, which was Ensanche Uzama area, right? So I ain't going to show you guys that at all for right now. Well, you know how life goes, man. You got to shop, you got to eat. So right now, I'm over here with the shorty, grabbing something. But let me tell you guys something. Do you guys remember we had a Bravo, by the way? So this is Bravo food store. Now listen, man. As I was reviewing back this footage, it reminded me of something. Now, fellas, if you're young and you're sitting in the Western world, you might want to go ahead and go to the Walgreens at night on a Friday night. That's where you're going to meet the MILFs, or that's where you're going to meet some of the single women who don't know where to go and what to do. I don't know if that scene still exists, right? But if your answer is no, it don't really exist no more, guess what? You fellas who always asking, how do you meet a normal girl in, you know, areas other than the Sioux, and you're in Santiago or you're in Santo Domingo or Punta Cana, do it old school, man. Come to the local shopping stores. La Serena is pretty rich. Nacional is pretty rich. Bravo is okay. This is a Bravo. But as you can see, the ladies still dress up to come out here, right? And do their little shopping and everything. So I would suggest you come out here. Now, you guys might be saying, well, I don't speak Spanish. Bro, use that to your advantage. You know, you want to go up to a lady that you see, if she ain't with nobody, and you want to kind of ask her, how do you price something? And then she will be like, maybe she don't understand. She will smile, and then you just break out your translator. You Google Translate. And be like, oh, sorry, I speak English. Hey, how do I Maybe you get really lucky. Shorty just starts helping you shop around the store, man. You have a WhatsApp phone number, and you good to go. Anyway, fellas, enjoy the rest of the scenes, man, and sounds. Hey, man, and I'll see you guys on the next travel journey. Let's go.